Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to erase all SMS and MMS history. So at the very beginning, open the settings, scroll down, find and select additional settings. Here you should go to the very last key, which is backup and reset, and now select factory data reset tab, so it's here. And now to delete all SMS and MMS history, just tap on erase all SMS and MMS. Confirm that you are aware that your all SMS and MMS history will be deleted. You just have to confirm it one more time because this action cannot be undone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.